Here. Yes. All right. Yes. Good. Yes. Woo! Wow, that happened pretty darn fast, don't you think? Mama's jazzed about that. Look, Mama's swimming. Yeah, that was really good. Girly. Break. Did you get both of those? Ah, you got both of those. You're getting it. Definite fish status. Looking for the otter badge next. Yeah, we're looking for the otter badge next. We've come a long way, baby. Yeah, we've come a long way, baby. Go swim. Yeah, you're staying pretty horizontal in the water. Hey, you had it for a couple seconds there. Nice. Good jobba. Good jobba jobba. Good jobba jobba. Go swim. Yes. Good job. Fetch it up. Yeah, nice. Who got two? Who got two? This just cracks me up. I don't think you can get three. Yes, definite fish status for the sparkle this week. Yay!